guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Hi everyone, this is Beauty and the Beast, chapter 510, titled Who Is It? Let's start reading. Ching Ching, I sense you. Sensing. So this is what you call mate bond, and they can sense each other. Ching Ching, I found you. Oh, Parker and Ching Ching. Tapos si An. Oh, poor An. Parker, where are you now? Roar. Ayun yung layon. Ay, hindi siya makalusot. Pero si Parker, gumagapang pa rin. Pero bakit hindi sila nagpang-abot? Sino yan? Oh no, aatakihin siya. Sino yun si Parker? Ay, hindi, naging tao si Parker, di ba? So, yung lion yan. Gusto lang atakihin yung lion. Oh no. Nasense niya. Nasense niya na may aatake sa kanya. Busha! Isang sipa ka lang. Magaling talaga siya. Magaling talaga yung lion. Kahit nakatalikod siya na protektahan niya yung sarili niya. He was able to protect himself. O, diba? Struggle is real. Bakit di kasi maging tao ka na lang? Are you trying to start a rebellion? Well, sort of. Marami naman talagang gusto makatalo sa'yo. Takbo. Try running away in this game. Let's see how far you make it. Galit na galit. Gustong manakit. There's no show to watch. Alright, let's go guys. Daming oars, no? Sooner or later, I'll teach you a lesson. Speaking of, they were all chasing after the leopard. Maybe the female is hiding nearby. Oh no. Baka makita ka, Ching Ching. You're right, let's search around. Oh my gosh. You're going to search for Ching Ching. An, be a good girl. Don't make any noise. Ay, careful. Ngayon, di ka na maggawa ng noise. Kanina, ang ingay-ingay mo. Payak-iyak ka. Ikaw talaga, An. Thump. Uh-oh. Sino siya? May scratch din siya sa tagiliran. Who are you? Moves. Who is it? Whispers. Uh-oh. Pati si An nakatakip din yung bibig. Ang cute! Is that you, Curtis? Curtis? Ay, hindi yan si Curtis, te. Laging naka-half snake yun, eh. Oh my gosh. Moves. Russell. Sino kaya to? Something's off. Off and on. This isn't Curtis. Yes, it's not. Kasi kung sa Curtis niyan, inano ka na, kinuha ka na agad ng tail niya. Winston doesn't look like this, and neither does Parker. Oh my gosh, dear. Ano na naman itong nakuha mo? Whoosh. OMG. But he doesn't look like Moore. Moir? Paano babasahin ang pangalan ni Muir? He seems like a dangerous man, yet he has such an innocent expression. Looks can be deceiving. Uh-huh. Wake up. He's a bad guy. Someone save me. So, Sumigaw na naman. Naku, maririnig ka ng iba. Ay, naku. Ay, naku, ching-ching talaga. Lagi yung pinapahamak yung self mo. Oh no, I forgot screaming will bring the beasts here. Yes, indeed. And you just did. Papahamak mo na naman yung self mo. Ay, naku, ching-ching, ching-ching. It's a female. There's a female. Diba, tuwang-tuwa sila na may female. That was a female we just heard. Napaka-barbaric naman ng mga mukha nito. Oh! She must be hiding under the rocks. Well, she is, pero ang tanong, makuha nyo kaya? Transforms. Ayun, nag-transform na yung mga beast. Sino kaya ito nakakita talaga? Unang nakakita kay Ching Ching. Let's see who he is. In love. Ay, na-in love ang ating bagong character. Is he a new character or what? Or is he the Hawk? Why is he staring at me? I don't know either. The female is mine. Hindi yours. Diba? Galit na galit kayo para naman inyo talaga yan. Pero para siya yung hook, no? Kasi yung eyes, ganyan yung eyes ng hook eh. Punch. Holy. They're so fierce. Basta babae ang pag-uusapan, fierce talaga yung mga beast. Kasi, konti lang kasi yung girls sa kanila eh. Todd. Ah, isang punch lang. Grabe ang lakas niya. Sino kaya siya? Crack. Aba. Who are you, my boy? Parang hindi siya yung hook. Iba yung tsura niya eh. Hindi no, iba no. He's a different guy. Aw! Ayoko na nga mag-aw. Transform. So, nag-transform lahat. Oh no! He was going to attack by all of the beasts around him. Oh my gosh. Everyone against him. Kaya niya kaya? We'll see about that. What species is he? For some reason, his punches are so powerful as if I'm punching against a crab pincers. As in, malakas siya masyado. Sinakal niya yung ahas. He's so powerful. I feel like one punch from him and that'd be the end of me. Well, I just did punch you. Holy, such a strong beast. I should try to leave now. Ngayon mo pa na-try. Ngayon mo pa itatry. Parang feeling ko natalo na niya yung makalaban eh. Sabi niya, natalo na nga niya. Wala na. Talo niya lahat. Goodness. Gasp. The fight's already over? Ang bilis naman niya. Talo niya lahat. Oh my gosh. Oh no, he's going to come back for me. Ligtas ka nga eh. Talagang babae ka talaga. Pahamak ka talaga sa buhay. Huff, huff. Sa tingin niyo guys, sino siya? Hindi ko na kasi binasa yung novel eh. I don't want to be spoiled by the novel. Oh, he's back again. Ewan ko sa'yo, Ching Ching. Paano ka magdadasin? Dadasalan mo. Please, please. Please leave. Please, please let me go. Sa tingin mo, let go ka niya pagkatapos yung patayin lahat ng yun. Anyway, this is still the end of this chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye-bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.